Augmented reality is in your hands. Nova, new OMET Virtual Access. The new app by OMET for 24/7 remote assistance service. It can handle maintenance, diagnostics, assistance, and remote installation activities. Simultaneous translation into 64 languages via chat or voice. Augmented reality gives OMET technicians the possibility to guide you in a safe and quick intervention, reporting possible risks without ever losing the reference device traced by OMET technicians. Drawing and writing directly on the screen of your mobile device, and receiving your drawings and writings in real time. Automatic barcode and QR code reading, storing videos or photos during the intervention. Simple and intuitive. Active service 24/7. All you need is a smartphone or tablet, both Android and iOS. Efficient and interactive diagnostics. Safe guided interventions. Accessible from anywhere and by anyone, with simultaneous translation in 64 languages. Use of augmented reality. Scanning of barcode or QR code. Service flexibility. Download the app immediately from the Android and iOS online stores and ask OMET to activate your Nova subscription. Nova, the new OMET app for remote assistance.